The welcome address will now be given by the class salutatorian, J. Lord Ignali.
Our honorable guest speaker, Ms. Charmaine Saavedra, our education supervisor, Dr. Rodora L. Villares, our school coordinating principal of Taguan Central School, Dr. Edna N. Alvaran, members of PCS faculty, alumni, parents, friends, and fellow graduating members of class 2016, good afternoon. It is my privilege to welcome each and every one of you to our 70th graduation exercises. It is remarkable to think the past 6 years are coming to a close today. Let's take a moment to acknowledge our parents who tirelessly support us, though we don't often show it. We are truly grateful for all that you have done for us. Our distinguished teachers, who are in the dedication to their students, is a hallmark and legacy of excellence. They do their utmost to ensure our success, and that we share this ceremony with you. As we students spend our time in here, our learnings nourish not only our minds, but also in the values enriched our hearts. To quote the late Nelson Mandela, a good head and a good heart are always a formidable combination. In this regard, we are here to celebrate the graduation of a deserving pupils, brimming with knowledge, with compassion and dreams, to continue as long as you live. Thank you and welcome to our graduation exercises.
Thank you very much, J. Lord. May I call in our school's division